Do you ever feel like you are just running on a hamster wheel? You know the feeling you're busy, you're stressed, you're running around all day, but you never actually feel like you're getting anywhere. It's like you are a leaf just blowing in the wind, waiting to see where the world takes you. It's exhausting, right? But here is the truth. You don't have to live your life on autopilot. You can actually jump into the driver's seat. Today, we aren't talking about becoming a billionaire or ruling the world. We are talking about simple, real ways to stop floating and start driving. If you want to finally own your day instead of letting the day own you, you are in the right place. What is up, everyone? I am so happy you are here today. I'm feeling super energetic because today's topic is honestly a game changer. We are talking about how to take control of your life, and I know, that sounds huge. Take control of your life. It sounds like something from a motivational poster in an office. But really, it's just about making choices. It's about deciding what happens in your day, rather than just waiting for problems to hit you. I used to feel like I was just reacting to everything. Wake up late, rush to work, answer messages, go to sleep, repeat. I wasn't living, I was just existing. But I made some small changes, and today I want to share them with you. These are the steps to becoming the boss of your own reality. Step 1. The morning reset. So, where does it all start? It starts the second you open your eyes. Let's be real. How many of you love the snooze button? You hear that alarm, and your brain immediately screams, "No, 5 more minutes, please." You hit the button, you roll over, and you go back to sleep. We have all been there. My bed is my favorite place in the world, so I get it. But here is the thing, when you hit snooze, you are starting your day with a loss. You are literally telling your life, "No, not yet." You are delaying your start. And then what happens? You wake up late. Now you're rushing. You can't find your keys. You skip breakfast. You are stressed before you even walk out the door. If you are looking for how to reset your life, it starts right here. Stop hitting snooze. I know it's hard, but just put your feet on the floor. And here is the second part of the morning routine, and this one is even harder for most of us. Do not touch your phone. I know, you want to check Instagram, you want to see who messaged you, you want to see the news. But listen to me, do not do it. When you look at your phone first thing in the morning, you are letting the outside world hijack your brain. You see a sad news story, and now you're sad. You see an email from your boss, and now you're stressed. You see your friend on vacation, and now you're jealous. You haven't even brushed your teeth yet, and you're already full of other people's noise. Give yourself 30 minutes, just 30 minutes of your time. Drink a big glass of water because your body needs it. Maybe drink some tea or coffee. Just sit there and breathe. Think about one thing you want to achieve today. This is called setting an intention. It could be simple, like today I will be calm, or today I will finish that one big project. It sets the vibe for the whole day. Step 2, the brain dump. To-do list. Okay, so you're up, you're hydrated, and you haven't scrolled through TikTok yet. You're doing great. Now, how do we handle the rest of the day? This is where a lot of us get overwhelmed. We have so much stuff in our heads. I need to buy milk. I need to email Sarah. I need to fix the door. I need to learn English. It feels like a messy closet inside your brain. It feels heavy. You need to get that stuff out of your head and onto paper. You need a list. But don't write down 20 things. If you write down 20 things, you are going to look at that list and want to cry. You won't do any of them because it looks impossible. I want you to write down just 3 things. That's it. The 3 most important things you need to do today. Maybe it's finish the report, go to the gym, study English for 15 minutes. When you write it down, your brain feels lighter. It's like closing all the open tabs in your web browser. And the best part? Taking a pen and crossing something out when you finish it. That feeling is amazing. It's so satisfying. Zip. Done. It makes you feel powerful. Step 3, the power of no now. To get those 3 things done, You need to learn a very small word that is very hard to say. The word is number. We live in a culture where we want to say yes to everyone. Can you help me move? Yes. Can you come to this party that you really don't want to go to? Yes. Can you work late? Yes. We do this because we are nice people. We don't want to be mean. But here is the truth. If you say yes to everyone else, you are saying no to yourself. Think about your time like it is money in your wallet. You wouldn't just walk down the street throwing cash at people you don't like, right? So why do you throw your time away? If you spend 3 hours watching a movie you hate just because your friend wanted to, that is 3 hours you can't get back. You could have used that time to sleep, or to work on your side hustle, or to practice your English speaking. Saying no isn't being mean, it's being smart. It's protecting your energy. When you stop doing things you hate, you have room for the things you love. These are the kinds of daily habits that changed my life via learning that my time is valuable. Step 4. Fuel the car. Okay, let's talk about your body for a second. You cannot take control of your life if you feel like garbage physically. Imagine you have a really expensive sports car. Would you put cheap, dirty gas in it? Would you never change the oil? No way. You would take care of it so it drives fast. Well, you are the car. If you eat heavy, greasy fast food for lunch, how do you feel at 2 p.m.? You feel sleepy, you feel slow, you just want to nap. You can't be the boss of your life if you are in a food coma. I'm not saying you can never eat pizza or chips. I love chips. But you have to treat food as fuel. If you eat fresh stuff, drink a lot of water, and avoid too much sugar, you will be shocked at how much more energy you have. And sleep, guys. We have to stop staying up until 2 a.m. watching videos. It's a bad cycle. You stay up late, so you're tired in the morning, so you hit snooze, so you're late, so you're stressed. It never ends. Go to bed. Put the phone away. Get a good night's sleep. When you wake up rested, the world looks easier to handle. Step 5. The 15-minute rule for learning. The last thing I want to talk about is growing. A lot of you guys are here because you want to improve your English, right? But I hear the same excuse all the time. I don't have time. I am too busy. I get it. Life is crazy. But remember step 3. If you say no to the unimportant stuff, you make space. You don't need 2 hours a day to learn a language or a new skill. You just need 15 minutes. Can you find 15 minutes? Maybe while you drink your morning coffee? Maybe while you are sitting on the bus or the train? Maybe while you are waiting for your dinner to cook? Use those small moments. Listen to a podcast. Read 1 page of a book. Learn 5 new vocabulary words. If you do just 15 minutes every single day, think about where you will be in 1 year. That is almost 100 hours of learning. You will be a totally different person. You will be speaking fluently. Taking control isn't about doing everything at once. It's about consistency. It's about showing up for yourself, even for just 15 minutes. So, let's recap the plan because I want you guys to win. Morning. No snooze button. No phone for 30 minutes. Water and intentions. Lists. Write down your top 3 tasks. Clear your head. Boundaries. Say no to things that waste your time so you can say yes to your dreams. Health. Eat good fuel and get some sleep. You are a Ferrari. Treat yourself like one. Growth. Find 15 minutes a day to learn. Listen, nobody is perfect. Tomorrow, you might mess up. You might hit snooze. You might eat a giant burger for lunch and fall asleep. That is okay. Don't beat yourself up. The beautiful thing about life is that every morning is a reset button. You can always start again. Just don't let one bad day turn into a bad month. You have the power to change your direction right now. I really hope this helps you guys feel a little more in control today. It's a journey, but it's worth it. Now, I have a question for you, and I really want to see your answers in the comments. What is one thing you are going to do today to take control? Are you going to skip the snooze button? Are you going to write a list? Let me know down below. And hey, if you found this helpful and you want to keep improving your life and your English at the same time, please do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. It really helps the video reach more people. And make sure you subscribe to 10-Minute English Academy. We are building a community here of people who want to grow, learn, and be better every single day. I've got so many more videos coming for you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Go out there and be the boss of your life. You've got this. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.